Here are 7 nicknames for Jamaica.
Number 1, Jamrock. Welcome to Jamrock, camp where the dogs and camp at.
Yes, that song by Bob Marley is probably how most of the world heard about Jamrock for the first time.
And if you're confused, like whoever Googles, is Jamrock a real place? Yes, it is.
It's an abbreviation of Jamaica combined with rock, which is another nickname for Jamaica, to create Jamrock.
Number 2, Drock.
No, not Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson.
But the original rock, the 3rd largest island in the Caribbean, Jamaica. I like to think it symbolizes the strength of the people, akin to the phrase "Lickle but Talawa."
So even though we are a small island nation, I don't know about we.
Number 3, Jamaica.
Jah Rastafari, ever living, ever faithful.
The Jah in Jamaica, another name for Jamaica, is in reference to Jehovah God. Jamaica roughly translates to God made here, God made Jamaica, Jamaica. Get it? Got it? Good.
Also, Ziggy Marley and the Melody Makers released an album called Jamaica in 1991.
And if you were to Google Jamaica right now, that's all you would see on the first 2 pages. Don't do it now, wait until the video finish. Number 4, J.A. Some of us just keep it short and sweet and just call our island home J.A.
And this one is a bit obvious, even for non-Jamaicans. It's the first 2 letters of Jamaica.
Right now, there are so many businesses that use it in their names. A quick Google search will uncover a few like Travel Together Tours JA, E-Gift Shop JA, Thug Fashion JA, Get Deals JA. And next time you're thinking of taking a trip, make sure to book your luxury vacay in JA. I'm having too much fun with this. Number 5.
We're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming. And I hope you like jamming too. That one was by Bob Marley and the Wailers, and I'm sure I didn't do it justice.
Do you know what our next nickname is? Jam Dong or Jam Down?
And I don't know about you, but for me, it means there's always a party in JA. Yeah.
Next, number 6, Yard. To many Jamaicans living abroad, Jamaica is still their home. And that is the sentiment expressed in this little nickname for Jamaica, Yard. It's patois for yard and refers to one's home. Following that trend, a Jamaican can sometimes be referred to as Yardie. Number 7. They say 7 is a number of completeness and perfection, so it's only right for number 7 to be Island Paradise because obviously, have you been here?